Hello everyone, welcome to the new video, Sudo Git Cyber. So hope you all are well. So today our topic is Subfinder. So as an ethical hacker, we all use Subfinder for Recon. So we don't know how to use Subfinder properly. So in today's video I will discuss about how to properly utilize Subfinder so that we can enumerate more subdomains so that our scope will be more, and during hunting our possibility for finding bug will also be more. And so let's begin. So first I run the Subfinder, then I assume our target as tesla.com. Now I will enumerate subdomain for tesla.com. So here I wrote the command. As in subdomain there is option for adding API key. You can see the result at the end of the video, that with API and without APIs difference. So let's begin. Let's assume our target is tesla.com. You can assume any of them, but I choose Tesla. Let's back to the command prompt, and now we will so that the command is Subfinder -d is for the domain. The domain is tesla.com, and -o is for output. Will save on a text file which is without API .text. Sub without API .text. So press enter. So you can see our Subfinder machine is running. So here we got the result. We got total subdomain is 474. So here cat command we used for reading any text, and wc-l is for counting how many lines there. So there are 474 subdomain. So now we will add some API. I basically add their API of Shodan.io and VirusTotal.com, and I will share all API links where you can got your own API. I will share the note in video description. So I am adding API through terminal. So I go to the file where the config.yml file is at. You can also manually go to Kali file and you can find config.yml and provider config.yml, and you will, when you open provider config.yml, you can find this, and there you can copy paste your API, then you will get your result. So now I am going to my Shodan.io account. I log in there with my Google. I am collecting my API from there. So I'm going to account, and there is the API key. I copy the API key, and now I will paste it to the Shodan, and remember, paste the API key between the brackets. So now I will go to VirusTotal.com for the second API. I log in there. My ID is already logged in. I go to my profile, and there is API key. I copy the API key, and like Shodan, I paste the API key in VirusTotal. And now I will close it. Nano, you know how to save file in Nano. First Ctrl+O, then Ctrl+X, then enter, and then Ctrl+X. So the file will save. So let's get back to the command prompt. Now I will write the command again, and you can see the difference. Here you can see we add API. The command is still same, but you can see the result that there is much more difference. During first time we got only 474 subdomains. Now we can see the big huge difference. We got our result, and you see the difference. 1284. So we got like 3 times with API and without API, and if you add more API key you will get more subdomain. And as well as we can also use API key in, there are also other apps for subdomain enumeration or tools. So if you comment that you need, I will upload new one. That's all for today. Thanks everyone, thanks for watching.